Ever struggled to show your Android screen on your PC or laptop for a presentation, gaming, and for a personal use? Don't worry. Today, I will show you how to effortlessly mirror your Android screen to your PC or laptop. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to WebServe Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. First, ensure your PC or laptop is running Windows 10 or 11 and supports Miracast. Most modern systems do. On your Android phone, make sure it's running Android 6.0 or later. Also, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for them to communicate. Let's get started. On your PC, press Windows plus I key together to open the setting page. Then select the system from the left side menu. Now browse through the page in Finding, Projecting to this PC option and select it. Select the Optional Features option. Again, browse through the page and find Wireless Display option. If not available, then add it manually by selecting View Features option at the right upper corner. Now in the search bar type Wireless Display and add it. This may take a couple of minutes, so let that happen until completed. Once completed, again go to the system and select the projecting to this display. Now please change the options as per your preferences. However, I recommend keeping it available everywhere. For the second option, select First Time Only. And for Pin, select Never. Now you can close everything from the screen or leave it as it is. Now on your Android phone, open the Settings panel. Type Mirror and select Smart Mirror or Screencast or the Smart View. The name might vary depending on your phone's manufacturer. Tap it and you'll see a list of available devices. Select your PC from the list. Connect it from the bottom tab. In my case, it is already connected, so showing disconnect option. Once you select your PC, a connection request might pop up on your laptop. Click Accept. Your Android phone screen is now mirrored to your PC. You can interact with your phone and everything will display in real time. And that's it. Simple. I hope you have learned how to share your Android screen with your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching us. I will see you in the next video. And till then, goodbye.